Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beet juice in a blender. First, gather your ingredients: fresh beets, water, and any optional additions like ginger or apple. Next, ensure your blender is clean and ready for use. This easy guide will walk you through each step, from preparation to enjoying your homemade juice. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create a vibrant and healthy drink right in your kitchen. Before blending, proper preparation is key. Start by washing 2 to 3 medium-sized beets under cold running water to remove any dirt. You can use a vegetable brush for a deeper clean. Next, carefully trim off the leafy greens and the tough root ends. Finally, cut the cleaned beets into 1-inch to 2-inch chunks. Smaller pieces will blend more easily and create a smoother juice. Now for the blending. Place your prepared beet pieces into your blender. Add about 1 cup of water to help with the blending process. You might need a little more or less depending on your blender and desired consistency. Blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is completely smooth and no large chunks remain. Then, pour the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag to separate the juice from the pulp. Your delicious, homemade beet juice is now ready. Serve it immediately over ice for a refreshing experience. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or lime for extra flavor. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle to keep you hydrated, as well as other great deals. Enjoy the vibrant taste and health benefits of your fresh beet juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.